I've done over $750,000 in sales for my email list. And in this video, I'm sharing my step-by-step strategy to help you start, grow, and sell to your email list in any market. So let's dive in. My name is Jordan Maley. I'm the co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious entrepreneurs the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so you can create a profitable social media presence without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Before we go any further, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Despite what you may be hearing on social media, email is not dead. I love social media. There's no better place to get your name out there and attract an audience of buyers for your business. But you are absolutely leaving money on the table if you aren't leveraging the power of an email list. And I can say this with confidence because 95% of our sales come from email, not social media. Email is where you get to build real relationships with your audience, nurture trust and authority, and most importantly, sell if you do it the right way. Creating a profitable email marketing strategy for your business comes down to 3 different phases: start, grow, and sell. And I'm going to break them all down for you in this video, so let's go. Phase 1 is start. In order to start growing an email list, you've got to have a way for people to opt in and get on your list. The easiest, most leveraged, and automated way to do this is with a freebie funnel. This is where you create a free downloadable offer that you give your audience in exchange for their name and email. They enter their details, which puts them on your email list. You then email them the free download and continue to communicate with them on a weekly basis. More on that in just a minute. A freebie can take the form of a guide, a checklist, a cheat sheet, a swipe file, a template, anything that your audience would really want that can help them solve a problem they want solved as it relates to what you sell. We actually teach our Laptop Lifestyle Academy students how to do this step by step. So I want to give you some examples from real students inside our program who are using this strategy to start building an email list. First, we have Dave, who has added over 2,000 people to his email list in just 30 days using our freebie strategy. Dave is a marriage counselor, and he created a freebie called 6 Steps to Handling Undisclosed Secrets and Broken Trust. Our student Martina is a side hustle coach. She helps corporate women start a side hustle so they can fire their boss, and she created a freebie called The Beginner's Guide to Starting a Profitable Side Hustle. Katie is starting a membership community where she shares gluten-free recipes and meal plans for families. Her freebie is a guide for creating gluten-free meals that you crave. You can take your freebie funnel strategy a step further by adding what we call a micro offer to your freebie. This is a low-price digital offer that you can use to convert 10% of your cold leads into sales instantly, which we have used to generate over 6 figures in sales on autopilot. If you want to see an example of this from our own business, check out this video where we share the freebie funnel we use to generate $88,000 in sales from this funnel. Once you have a freebie funnel, the next phase is to use it to grow your list. And this step is so simple, it's going to completely blow your mind. Add your freebie to the link in your bio on whichever social media platforms you are using to build your business. Keep creating content like you already do, but add in a call to action within your content, telling people to visit the link in your bio and grab your freebie. This is exactly what my mom and I have been doing for 5 years to add over 60,000 subscribers to our email list, and exactly what we teach our clients to do. Like Dave, who got 1,400 opt-ins overnight from just one social media post. Now that you're growing your list, it's time for the fun part, and that is selling. There are so many ways to market and sell to your email list, but I want to break down what this really looks like in our business so you can get some ideas for yours. First of all, everyone who comes onto our email list does so by going through a sales funnel, either one of our freebie micro offer funnels or one of our automated webinar funnels where we offer one of our higher priced programs. If they come in through a freebie funnel, they immediately go into an email sequence where we deliver them more value and invite them to check out one of our automated webinars or other programs. Once that welcome sequence ends, they get moved over to the main segment of our list where we will continue to nurture and sell long term. If they come in through an automated webinar funnel, they get a series of special emails related to that training and that offer before getting moved over to the main list. They also get tagged to go back through additional follow-up sequences throughout the year, inviting them to go back through that funnel and buy if they didn't do so the first time. If you want to learn more about how to sell anything with webinars, check out this video. Once someone moves into the main segment of our list, they start getting our weekly hero content emails. Every week we create one high-quality piece of video content and email it out to our list. This piece of content is high value, and its only job when we email it to our list is to nurture trust with them. This video you're watching right now is one of our hero content videos, so it does double duty in that strangers here on YouTube can find our hero content videos and get on our email list through the different calls to action that we have in our videos each week. In addition to those two main sales funnels and weekly nurturing emails, we also have monthly and quarterly marketing campaigns. These are going to look different for every business, but basically each month we like to send out something about our membership program, inviting people to enroll. And each quarter we like to do some kind of live promotion like an affiliate promo, a flash sale, a workshop, a challenge, or a live webinar. We fill our live promotions through our email list by writing a sequence of emails inviting our list to join the challenge or sign up for the webinar. And we can get hundreds of people registered for our live promotions from a single email. Something we are starting to use more is sequences for onboarding and upselling. We use email to properly onboard our clients into any of our programs to ensure that they have a great customer experience and get as much out of the program as possible. We don't want someone to only hear from us when they're getting ready to buy. We want them to hear from us after they buy so we can help them create their success story. This is also an opportunity to introduce new clients to other offers that may benefit them and enhance their experience. Creating strategic onboarding sequences for our digital programs increases client retention and helps our clients get support and better results so they keep coming back again and again. I know this all sounds like a lot, so if you're just getting started with building an email list, I recommend doing this. Create a freebie micro offer funnel to start your list. Market it on social media to grow your list, and send out one high quality value email a week to nurture your list. From there, you can build out monthly and quarterly sales promotions and, my favorite thing, automated email sequences so you can sell on autopilot as people come in and go through the different parts of your email list. If you want to see exactly how my mom and I grew from social media nobodies with no audience, no influence, and no sales to hitting consistent 20K months in just 6 months with one simple funnel and our email list, then I invite you to join us for our free Scratch to 20K Masterclass. Inside, we break down the 5 phases of every profitable online business and share the biggest mistakes you need to avoid along the way if you want to quickly grow to consistent 20K months. You can watch the class on demand, absolutely free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training, and I will link it below for you as well. All right, that's all I got for today. I have asked YouTube to recommend the best next video for you, which you can watch right here. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.